Hello and welcome to the CNC Broach Tool channel. If you're looking for a way to broach keyways or splines in your Haas CNC mill, then you're in the right place. CNC Broach Tool has been making tools for broaching keyways since 2006. We developed the first broach tools for broaching in a CNC machine and have been leading the way in broaching technology ever since. Today, we're going to show you how to upgrade your broaching game with the latest and greatest in broaching technology. Our carbide inserts offer a longer lifespan and are more resistant to wear than other broach tools on the market. Our tools offer several benefits that make them the best choice for spline and keyway broaching. For example, durability. The carbide inserts used in our tools are much more durable than high-speed steel inserts, meaning you can perform more broaching operations without having to replace them. Ease of use. Our tools are designed to be easy to use, even for those with limited experience in broaching. With our step-by-step instructions and online support, you can get started right away. Save time programming by using our broach program generator or download our sample spline and keyway broaching programs, which are available on our website. We take pride in providing our customers with the best broaching tools on the market, and we're confident that you'll be satisfied with the results you'll achieve using our tools. For more information about our carbide inserts and how they can help you with your keyway broaching needs, please visit our website at www.cncbroachtools.com or give us a call at 877-248-1631.